Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. I am 37. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties. Love the clicky clickies. Seriously guys, it really helps my channel grow. All the comments, all the shares, all the likes helps me get into the YouTube universe.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Just because I don't know, I don't trust somebody else to order my drink. Hey guys, I am off work. It's noon. I had that coffee, got to listen to music. I wish we got to listen to music every day. Like, let me put my wireless earbuds in, like just one ear, and just let me chill. I got a lot of work done. It was really nice. I gotta go get gas. I will not make it home if I don't. Good thing I have my purse. I was gonna say, oh my god, did I bring my purse? I don't know what I plan on doing for dinner. I think I'm gonna start a new series on the channel. Kids pick keto meals or something like that. Like, they're gonna pick a keto meal and then they're gonna help me make it. I think that might be fun, and then it'll help get involved with cooking and stuff for them. And they usually like everything that I make anyways, keto wise. So I think it'll be interesting. I'll talk to them about that when I get home. Maybe we'll do that starting this weekend. And I do have to go grocery shopping as well, so you'll get a little grocery haul out of me. Hopefully I can find that low carb bread, and maybe I'll make some grilled cheese sandwiches. Otherwise I'll probably make a grilled cheese chaffle or something like that. I'm really in the mood for like a grilled cheese type thing. I think with some bacon. That sounds good. And I would also really like to make some turnip fries or radish fries or something. I'm in the mood for something like that. So I think that. I do also need to do my meal plan. I find it's very beneficial if I plan out. Not just meal prep, but plan out what I'm going to be eating. Also, if you have not already, be sure to go to the High Key Snacks giveaway video and comment, like, and make sure you're subscribed to enter to win the 6-pack of High Key chocolate chip cookies. That one is only going until Monday, so make sure you do that over the weekend. And then come Monday, there will be a new giveaway for Cut the Carb. That is a good one because that is a 3-month supply of Cut the Carb. That's amazing. 3-month supply, 96 things or something like that, I think it was. I mentioned in the comments, I had a lot of comments on yesterday's video, my Built Bar review. Not a lot, but I had a couple people say that it spiked their blood sugar, and I did hear from a few people, like I know Erica from Time to Shrink, it spiked her blood sugar, and I do have some glucose strips, so I think I'm going to test today and see what it does for me, crossing my fingers that it doesn't really affect me. I'm really hoping it doesn't because they're so good. And if it does, then I know that it's more of something to have as like a treat. Alright, well, I just pulled up to the pump, so I'm gonna get gas and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Alright guys, we're on our way to Aldi. I'm going to see if I can't find that bread. That would be so amazing if my Aldi carried it. I have my little meal plan and my grocery list that I'm going to try to stick to. I don't really need too much. Tiffany wants to be a Visco girl. If you don't know what that is, Google it. It's like a totally new fad, and she's basically that.
No, I have to be a Visco girl on Monday because my friends are doing a Visco Monday.
But you pretty much have been dressing like this.
Oh yeah, I have to get my shells too.
For a while. Shell necklace, messy bun with tons of scrunchies, but not in your hair. On your arms
yeah,
only.
in your hair too.
Crocs or Birkenstocks. She said Crocs because Birkenstocks are too expensive. Leggings, oversized shirts. You have to say,
And
whatever that means.
and you have to have a hydro flask.
And a hydro flask, which I don't, some sort of water bottle that I am not gonna buy because I don't have the money. And
Metal straws.
metal straws.
Can I see the turtles?
That's a Visco girl. And that's what Tiffany's been doing for the past 6 months. So me and this Visco girl are going to Aldi. I've come up with some pretty neat recipes. Oh, well, I didn't come up with them, but I've included some pretty neat recipes for dinners this week. And Peyton picked the meal for tonight, which is going to be Keto Kids Night. He picked this one, and so he's going to help me make it, of course, when I get home. And I got my Sola bread coupons with me because I do probably have to go to Meijer to get some of the stuff if Aldi doesn't have it. And then if Aldi has, or if Meijer has that, then I'm going to use my coupons finally. I've had forever for free Sola products. And then I also have my Real Goods food coupons that I have for free products. If Meijer has anything, then might as well pick them up. So my weekly meal plan is all complete, but do I want to tell you now, or I probably should just tell you when I get home? But how do these things sound, Tiffany, for dinners?
What's a chocolate dog?
You'll see, I guess, on Tuesday.
Okay.
I don't know if this can see you or not.
What a chocolate dog is.
You'll see what a truffle dog is.
Scared.
Sound like a good meal plan? Tiffany has her pen she marks off as we go, and when we're at the store. I'm not sure if this can see Tiffany or not, if you're only seeing me. I tried to angle it so you could, but I can't lift up my viewfinder to see what I'm seeing until I get some sort of mount to hold it on my dash. Oh. Alright, so I will see you guys after the store. I don't know, taxi? Nah. Hey guys, so I seen this at, oh, I'm not drinking this. Good thing I decided to look at it. This is definitely not keto. This has 17 grams of sugar in it.
What is it?
It's just all organic. It's an energy drink, so you can't even have it. I'll have to give it to, like, Josh or something. Never mind. We're going to Meijer now. Today is a grocery haul. Are you ready for this? Oh yeah, clicky clicky. I went to 2 stores, okay? I got some cool stuff. I got my sunglasses on because I'm kind of ashamed of my makeup today. Not feeling it. I don't have eyeliner on. Anyways, I'll show you what I got. Hey guys, so this is the keto approved section, as well as some household essentials. I'll go ahead and quickly show you stuff that's not keto. See, this is included in the $200 that I spent today. 2 loaves of bread, 4 boxes of Pop-Tarts, ramen noodles, taquitos, peanut butter and jelly, and popcorn. Oh, and some grapes. Everything else is keto related. So we will there's a cat. We will dive in. Meal plan. Where are you? Where's my meal plan, Linky? Are you it? Yes. Alright guys. So this was my shopping list for this week, and we did get out with everything we needed. Except for worms for the lizard. This is my meal plan. Monday night is going to be keto sheet pan pizza and cauliflower mac and cheese. Tuesday is going to be chaffle dogs. I don't know what kind of side. Wednesday is going to be baked cracked chicken. Thursday, meatball bake. Friday, stuffed Italian sausage. And I know it says Sunday, but today's Saturday. I don't know why I wrote today. Taco bake. That's what I'm making today. So this is my meal plan. Now I will show you what I got. So we needed ground beef for a few different recipes that we're going to be using. So I like to always have ground beef. So I got this nice big pack. This is about 4 pounds for $10. I got this big, these are huge chicken breasts for $10.57 at Aldi. This was from Meijer, I think I said. I got this mild Italian sausage for the stuffed sausages from Aldi. This is 3 carbs per link. Be wary. I got some spinach, some riced cauliflower, as well as some garlic and herb riced cauliflower. Sounded good. I got some tomatoes, 2 things of Kobe Jack cheese, and 1 thing of extra sharp. Some garlic. If it's from Meijer, I'll say Meijer, otherwise this is from Aldi. Some string cheese, some tricolored peppers. I got these jalapeno peppers from Meijer. I got some dill from Meijer because we're gonna make some pickles. Got the cilantro from Aldi. I got the real good jalapeno and white cheddar poppers from Meijer. I have a coupon for buy one, get it free. Real Good sent them to me. Obviously this is from Meijer. Some paper towels. Corey and I needed deodorant, and I thought that sounded like it was going to smell really good. Freezer bags from Aldi. I thought this was really cool. A budget and planner for my happy planner, because I have been trying to keep track and sometimes there's just not enough room. So that'll be nice. I got some beef bone broth and chicken bone broth, as well as 3 things of eggs. They are still 40 cents here in Michigan. Aldi had this, and I thought it was interesting. Apple crisp flavored coffee, and then they also had caramel. So I thought that was kind of neat, and I wanted to try them. So I got those. I got a head of cauliflower, some cucumbers. These cucumbers were from Meijer, because that's when I decided I wanted to make pickles. But I also got some cucumbers from Aldi for salads and such. 4 things of chunk light tuna. 4 things of chunk light tuna in water. A pack of radish. I got this cauliflower and broccoli from Meijer. I just had a random craving to dip it into guacamole from Meijer. This guacamole is only 1 net carb, so I had previously gotten this 2 net carb avocado guacamole, whatever you want to call it, from Aldi, and then I seen this for 1 net carb, and so I just wanted to compare them. I'll eat them both. I got this Rao's homemade marinara pizza sauce. This is 2 net carbs. This is from Meijer. I got this salsa from Meijer. Mayo from Aldi. Ranch from Aldi. Some unsweetened almond milk from Aldi. Toilet paper, Meijer. Gain, Meijer. Some dishwasher stuff from Meijer. Unsweetened gold peak tea. I got these from Meijer. They were $2 off. Some Stoke coffee from Meijer. These were actually at Aldi. The blood orange Zevia organic tea. I'm curious to try those. It's the only flavor they had, so I grabbed those. Some avocado oil from Aldi. Diet Dr. Pepper from Meijer. Some black olives from Meijer. And then they had this at Aldi, and I just want to try it with that keto granola that I got in the mail the other day. It says creamy German style quark. Say cheese, it's yummier than yogurt. Cafe latte 100 calories, 4% fat, 12 grams of protein. It says it's got 4 net carbs, and it's sweetened with erythritol, actually. So, I don't know. We'll try it. So I got 2 of those. That's what I got, guys. I spent $200 on groceries for the week and household essentials, as well as a little bit of crap. But this is gonna do me. Alright guys, see you guys later. This is dinner. This is for a new series called Kids Cook Keto. Peyton made this tonight. This is a taco bake, and this is what's left. Kind of watery. This is water and grease mixed together.